Imagine every lead, every deal, every client conversation that's gone quiet in your inbox, automatically getting a perfectly drafted follow-up without you lifting a finger. NudgeForMe makes that possible, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up in under 10 minutes. Here's what we'll cover. First, what NudgeForMe actually is and the problem it solves. Then, exactly how to connect your inbox and get your first follow-up drafts. After that, how people are turning this into a paid service for clients. And by the end, you'll know exactly how many deals are quietly dying in your own inbox right now. NudgeForMe is an AI agent that scans your sent emails, finds every thread where you were expecting a reply and never got one, and drafts a natural follow-up right inside your own mailbox. It's built for freelancers, salespeople, founders, and recruiters, anyone whose income depends on conversations that don't get to die quietly. The team behind it processed millions of emails building their first product, Snooze, and kept seeing the same pattern. People don't just need to reply faster, they need to remember to follow up at all. A busy inbox is usually sitting on dozens of stalled conversations that never got a second message. Here's exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Go to NudgeForMe.com and connect your inbox. Gmail, Outlook, or any IMAP and SMTP account works. Step 2. NudgeForMe scans your sent folder and surfaces every conversation where a reply was expected but never came, automatically filtering out newsletters and threads that were already closed. Step 3. Review the opportunities it finds inside the app and pick the ones worth chasing. Step 4. It drafts a natural, on-brand follow-up sitting right in your mailbox, ready to edit and send. Unlike a tool that fires off emails on its own, NudgeForMe starts in pure draft mode. Nothing sends until you approve it. And the moment someone actually replies, it automatically stops nudging that thread, so you're never double messaging a client who already got back to you. Now here's the part that matters if you want this to pay for itself. Every unanswered email is a lead, a deal, or a client relationship quietly dying. And most business owners have no idea how many of those are sitting in their inbox. Freelancers and consultants are starting to offer inbox audits. Connect a client's mailbox, run NudgeForMe, and show them exactly how many stalled conversations and dollars are sitting there untouched. That's an easy service to sell for $150 to $300 as a one-time audit, plus a recurring fee to manage their follow-up drafts every month. Sales teams and real estate agents make the easiest first clients, because a single recovered deal covers months of the fee. Let's talk pricing. The free plan gives you one mailbox and 100 follow-up draft credits a month. Plenty to prove this works on your own inbox. Right now, new users also get 60 days of the Pro plan free with the code SNOOZE, which unlocks full automation and custom writing controls. If you're in sales, freelancing, or managing client relationships, this is a no-brainer. A single deal it saves pays for a year of Pro. If you only send a handful of emails a week, the free tier is genuinely enough. So here's my question for you. How many unanswered emails do you think are sitting in your sent folder right now, quietly costing you money? Drop your guess below. I read every comment. Follow Patapo AI. New AI tool every day. No hype, no fluff.